Good morning, students. The today's topic is the adductor canal. The adductor canal or the Hunter's canal, or known as the subsartorial canal, is a narrow conical tunnel located in the thigh. It is about 15 cm long, extending from the apex of the femoral triangle to the adductor hiatus of the adductor magnus. The canal, it serves as a passageway from structures moving between the anterior thigh and the posterior leg. The structures from this anterior aspect of this leg, mainly the femoral artery, vein and some nerves, it goes to the posterior aspect of this leg, posterior aspect to the knee joint through this adductor canal, and the structure passes through the adductor hiatus, the fifth osseo-aponeurotic opening of this adductor magnus, and ultimately goes to the posterior aspect of this leg. Then come to this boundary of this adductor canal. This anterolaterally, there is the vastus medialis, and the floor part, it is formed by this adductor longus in the upper part and this adductor magnus in the lower part. And the roof, this part is the roof, and this roof is formed by a aponeurotic wall on which lies this sartorius along with the subsartorial plexus, this part subsartorial plexus. The subsartorial plexus, these nerves, these things, the subsartorial plexus, which is formed by a twig from the saphenous nerve, this is the saphenous nerve, a twig from the saphenous nerve, a twig from the anterior division of the obturator nerve, and a twig from the posterior division of the medial femoral cutaneous nerve. And this roof extend from the anterior border of this vastus medialis to the medial border of the adductor longus and magnus, and the roof is pierced by this saphenous nerve and saphenous branch of the descending genicular artery. The shape in case of transverse section, it looks like a triangle. Okay. Then come to the content. The content from lateral to medial, if we tell this one, this is the nerve to vastus medialis. Then come to this saphenous nerve. It lies lateral to the artery. This artery is on the femoral artery. At first it lies lateral to the artery and then cross the femoral artery superficially. Then this is the femoral vein. It lies posterolateral to the artery, and this main part is the femoral artery. It lies on the adductor longus and the adductor magnus, and then goes into the popliteal fossa, accompanied by the vein and the posterior division of the obturator nerve through the fifth osseo-aponeurotic opening at the insertion of the adductor magnus. Okay, this is again this boundary. This is the vastus medialis, adductor longus, and this is the roof. This is the aponeurotic seat, and this is the sartorius, and this is the subsartorial plexus, and these are the content. Then come to the next picture. This is again one picture showing this content and the boundary of this adductor canal. Then come to the site of this adductor canal. It lies in the medial third of the front of the thigh, deep to the sartorius, and it extends from this femoral triangle, apex of the femoral triangle, to the adductor hiatus. Then come to this medical aspect, or this clinical significance of this adductor canal. The femoral artery is exposed and ligated. The femoral artery, it is exposed and ligated in the adductor canal during surgery for aneurysm of the popliteal artery. The process was initially performed by a well-known surgeon, John Hunter, and the adductor canal was referred to as, after his name, as Hunter's canal. After ligation of this femoral artery in this adductor canal, the collateral circulation is created via arterial anastomosis around the knee joint. In case of anesthesiology, the anesthetist gives this adductor canal block. In this case, the local anesthetic is administered in the adductor canal to block the saphenous nerve in isolation or together with the nerve to the vastus medialis. The block can be used to provide sensory anesthesia for procedure involving the distal thigh and the femur, knee and the lower leg on the medial side. The sartorius and the femoral artery are used as anatomical landmark to locate the saphenous nerve. Okay, come to the second part of this video, and this video for this dissection part. Okay.